Hello, welcome to the Akulmach Live. Today, we are going to explore a mind bending question. Could our entire universe be inside a gigantic black hole? Before we answer this question, let us understand what is a black hole. All right, let's quickly review what a black hole is. A black hole is an incredible dense object with the gravitational pull so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape it. This means that if you are if you by any chance were to get close to black hole, you would be sucked in and never be able to escape. The idea of universe existing inside a black hole is not a new one. It has been around for a few years now. Our universe, instead of being the grand stage of existence, might actually be a pocket universe, a bubble expanding within the event horizon of a colossal black hole residing in a higher dimensional space. It is a wild concept, but not without its theoretical grounding. Some of the physicists have pointed out that mathematically there are a lot of similarities between equations describing our universe expansion and also governing the black hole formation. So, what is the math behind this theory? Now, I want you to do a thought experiment. This sounds like science fiction, but there is actually some math to back up the theory. Some physicists have shown that equations that are describes that describes the expansion of our universe are mathematically similar to equations that are describing the formation of black hole. This suggests that our universe could be a black hole in disguise. Now, here is where the JWST comes in. While not directly providing the proof for this theory, it is observation. Its observations have unearthed some intriguing clues. Number one, early universe black holes. Basically, while detecting the early black holes, JWST detected supermassive black holes in the early part of the universe, far larger and older than previously thought possible. These behemoths challenges our understanding of the black hole formation, hinting at the potentially faster growth mechanism. This could indirectly support the idea of universe born from a black hole where such rapid growth might be more plausible. Number 2 is little red dots. JWST has discovered numerous little red dots, distant compact galaxies that appear surprisingly red. These objects are likely powered by rapidly growing supermassive black holes, suggesting a period of intense black hole activity in the early universe. This aligns with the idea of universe born from a black hole where such activity might be expected. The other theory is about the rotation of the early galaxies. Now, JWST has recently unearthed that nearly 66% of the early galaxies were rotating in same direction, and this is possible only if the initial spin was given in that same direction. That means majority of the objects in the universe were rotating along with the universe, which was rotating in a particular direction. So 66% of the early galaxies are rotating in the same direction, which means they are rotating inside something which is rotating in that same direction. All right. So that is evidence number three that has been brought by JWST. Now, there are other evidence which are supporting this theory. There is some evidence that could support this theory. For example, the amount of dark matter in the universe seems to be just right to create black hole, and the fact that our universe is expanding could also be explained by expansion of the black hole itself. So, what are the implications of this theory? Our universe is indeed inside a black hole, and then this is some pretty mind blowing implications. For one thing, it would mean that there could be another universe out there, each one existing inside its own black hole, and that would also mean that our universe might be as big as we think it is. Of course, this is all a speculation at this point in time. We do not have a definitive proof that our universe is inside a black hole. It's very difficult to measure all these things, but the math explains all this. But as we continue our learning more about universe, we may eventually be able to answer this question, maybe in future, sometime in future. So there you have it. The mind-bending idea that our universe could be inside a gigantic black hole, whether or not this theory is true, is definitely something to think about. Thank you for listening to my podcast. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them below and be sure to subscribe to my podcast for more thought-provoking content. Bye for now.